Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cambria. I make videos on everything beauty and a little bit of fashion. And today I have a very exciting video because I got my very first Voxbox. So I'm very excited. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick opening box with you guys and see what we received. So if that is something that you are interested in seeing, please please go ahead and keep watching. So, like I said, I got my very first Voxbox from Influenster. And this is the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation box. For those of you that don't know what Influenster is, it's a place that you can get free makeup, you leave reviews on products, you can ask questions in the community, like is this particular product good for oily skin, and then the community will answer you, so it's pretty neat. It's free to sign up, you don't have to have a large influence, there's no specific requirements for how many followers or anything you have to have, so it's actually pretty neat. And then you just fill out a profile and they will match you with products in terms of your profile and send you boxes. So I have been on the platform for years, but I've only been active in the last couple of months. So this is the first box I've received since I've been active. I've never received one prior, so I'm pretty excited. So let's go ahead and get this open. Ooh, that's pretty. So this is how it comes. And on the top it just says Lock-It Powder Foundation, fast full coverage with instant blurring and a sexy compact, and then it gives you the hashtag, and then it looks like it comes with this little info card. It tells you about it. It's the compact, so this is how this comes. Pretty packaging, it's very sleek like that, and they sent me 160 tan, and it's not like they contacted me beforehand to figure out what shade I was or to ask me. It's all based on the profile that I filled out when I first signed up for Influenster. So definitely fill out every aspect of your profile so that they can match you. This is how the packaging comes. It comes with like a little sponge. And then here's the front of it. Ooh, pretty. And then that's what it looks like on the inside. So it's like red and it's just very, very sleek. I like it a lot. And then like I said, they sent it in tan 160. So judging by this, it looks like it might work pretty well. So I will be doing an in-depth review of that soon. I probably will do a full completed look using this product. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing me do that. I just put it in the comment section below. Hopefully I didn't just break the compact. Oh, and then it looks like they also sent a tattoo eyeliner, so that's exciting. I wonder, so it has like her signature roses on it, and then it just says the tattoo liner. And then here's what the tip looks like. So pretty nice for this box, you guys. So hopefully I will be getting some more Influencer boxes, so I'll be able to do some more unboxing with you, but I'm very excited to try this product and glad that they sent this to me. I'm very excited to have gotten my first box. If you guys want to follow me or are interested in signing up for Influencer, go ahead and follow the link in the comment description below. Till the next video. Bye guys.